Hi, today I'm here with my 2015 Bowman football hobby box break number 2. This wasn't supposed to be. I ordered this one on eBay, and I also ordered a. I have to check. I thought I had ordered a blaster box and a hobby box separately, but I thought the blaster was going to get here first, so I thought the hobby box would be like the last break of 2015 Bowman football. But so I've got this hobby box here, and then I'll maybe have 1 or 2 more blasters, and then hopefully I've completed the base set, and then I'll be done. There should be 4 autos and 1 relic. The relic is obviously on this side. I think that this one's got the relic, so we'll save that one. Check it out. I really like these cards. Wish they were a little cheaper. I paid about $90 for the box. Got a blue foil. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. So I definitely like these hobby boxes better. There's more hits, better hits for the price. The Mariota Black. Let's see. Ben Koyak. I looked at the checklist. There's actually a lot of these minis. You got David Cobb. See, that should be, I think, a $4.99. 412 of $4.99 for a blue foil. Gold paper upside down. I don't know why. $243 of $3.99 for a. I believe that's a gold paper of Jalen Strong. Frank Gore black, Jake Locker black, Russell Wilson black foil. I'm not missing a ton of the base cards, but it is quite a few, especially for how many base cards you get in a pack. So I believe I almost have the rookie set completed. It's the veteran set. Why are some of these upside down? Tony Lippett, we got his mini auto in the last break. The last, I should say the last hobby box break. Cody Pruitt, black foil. Oh, we got the Ajayi mini. I wish that was an auto. That'd be sweet. We are definitely trying to get the Ajayi auto. Stephon Diggs blue paper to $4.99. And looks like a blue parallel Julian Edelman die cut. 14 of 99. It's my first numbered die cut. Pretty cool. Brandon Cooks black foil. We should be hitting an auto soon. Oh no, we got our memorabilia card. Shard Perryman. Oh, that's a nice picture right there. Cody Pruitt. Bo Wallace Ice. Brandon Cooks. It's like kind of strange material there. Randall Cobb black foil. So let's see. This one seems thicker. I wonder why. I don't know. It seems one card thicker. Oh, no way. Nice. We hit another we hit another Under Armour All-American auto. Oh, we're doing this one last. That's a bonus hit pack right there. Yeah, we'll do that one last. Alright. Vic Beasley. We got the Shaq Thompson black foil. And our auto, Eddie Goldman. It's a pretty nice looking auto. I'm not really sure where the G is. Eddie Goldman, defensive tackle. Just a base chrome auto, and then we got Gronkowski, red foil to 25. Wow, I think, yeah, I had hit a orange ice, and that was numbered to 50. So this is my lowest. I've gotten some reds, but that's my first red foil, I think. 24 of 25. Nice low numbered card. And let's just see who our mini is of. Jameis Winston. Not bad, not bad. This seems like a pretty good box already. I don't think there's anything in this one. So we're only at one auto so far. Marcus Mariota, black foil. Amir Abdullah, mini. Michael Floyd, die cut. There's actually quite a few die cuts too, and I don't like. They don't have them numbered. They're like this. Bunch of letters. Ben Roethlisberger, black foil. This one had a lot of veterans in it. I don't usually seem to have that many veterans. Ooh, did we get a gold auto? Not sure. Ooh, we got the Ajayi. I think I hit this one already though. No black foil rookies. All right, we're gonna do that one last. See if it's the auto. All right, T.J. Clemens gold paper. $2.99 of $3.99. DeMarco Murray, die cut, and Monte Ball black foil. I definitely think I've gotten some base cards here that I was missing. So let's go first to the mini. Carl Davis. And it doesn't look like this was an auto. Nope, just a gold foil rookie. 204 of 399. I better have some autos coming up here. I'd really like to get a colored auto. Would be nice. Alright, we got another. Oh. I guess I didn't get a bonus hit. Rashard Perryman again. mini of Devontae Parker. Gold foil of Eli Harold. 72 of 299. At least it's a low number of a high numbered, you know. Kevin Johnson orange paper. 267 of 299. Marquise Lee ice. Kaepernick. Alright, in the last 3 packs, we have to have 3 autos. Ooh, okay. Okay, alright. Andy Dalton, black foil. We got a low number. We got a score in green of Kyle Rudolph this year. Number 6, I think. Dang, a ton of rookies in this one. Cody Fajardo. That one's a weird looking black foil. Almost doesn't even look like there's any colors. And 69 of 99, Bo Wallace blue auto. And Dejon Smith mini. Told you I needed a color auto. Definitely like that auto. This is my... Now, what do we get in the other box? I think we got a gold. No, what do we get? No, did we get a blue? A blue auto? Can't remember now. 2 autos. If this one has an auto, there'll be a bonus hit. We got Doug Martin on the back side. Oh yeah, okay. Eric Kendricks. The color's off a little bit on that one. And the name there. Todd Gurley, black foil. We're gonna go ahead and just go to the veterans. Manziel, Derek Carr, black foil. Doug Martin. Let's just get the mini. Vic Beasley mini. Rookies, and for the auto, Shane Carden. Ooh, that's a bear rookie auto. My wife should like that one. Shane Carden. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to show the bonus hit first. Oh, wow. Is this 280? Eddie Goldman. It's our bonus hit right there. From what I've seen in breaks, they say these aren't common, but I've gotten one in each of my 2 boxes. It's kind of he autographed it in the wrong place. It's kind of strange. To look on eBay, see if there's any more, because the auto's supposed to be right here. He signed it all over his face. Alright. I forgot to put my memorabilia card separate. Alright, so let's do the veterans first. Alan Hearns, black foil. rookies. Denzel Perryman black foil. Let's get the mini. Oh, we might have got somebody good. Matt Jones mini. And for our auto, Dante Fowler. And it's got the 6 inscription. Nice. We might have sent him his base card to see if he would auto it for us. Can't remember. We were trying to get the top 10 draft picks together. This is a really nice box. I think this one probably is the best. I mean, I'm not an expert, but we got the Dante Fowler, just a chrome auto. Eddie Goldman, chrome auto. Shane Carden, chrome auto. Bo Wallace to 99, blue auto. Eddie Goldman bonus hit to 280, All-American Under Armour auto. Really curious about that. And then we got the Brandon Cooks. So pretty nice box. I don't know. I might have to buy another box. I don't know. They've been so good to me already. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.